Hi friends, so I want to share you a little unboxing that I'm gonna do that I'm so excited about. I'm in my favorite room in my whole house, my master bathroom, and I just got a package from B.Witching for some amazing seasonal products that you guys need to try. This is a Marshmallow Cocoa liquid cleanser. I have the matching body lotion after my delicious shower tub soak. I'm gonna hydrate my beautiful skin in it. And to set the mood and have some very nice ambience in this little bathroom that I have, I'm gonna light this gorgeous Marshmallow Cocoa soy wax candle. Ooh, I cannot explain how good it smells. Like someone baked cookies here. So this mama to be is gonna have a little bit of me time.